Is it safe to grow edibles, vegetables, etc. in a tire? Well, the EPA isn't so much concerned about growing in tires as much as they are about burning tires, as burning the tires does release the toxins into the air. So there's not much research from them in regards to growing in tires. However, well-known organic resources such as Mother Earth News indicates that tires do break down over time and do release toxins and chemicals. It does take decades for the tires to break down. So it's something that you would want to definitely proceed with caution. If you want to grow in tires, you can make them look pretty and grow flowers and grow in something else, but it is up to your best discretion. For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.